How to reset D-Link router DIR-615. Follow these instructions. Turn on your D-Link DIR-615 router and make sure all power and internet cables are connected properly. Find the small reset button on the back of the router. It's inside a tiny hole near the WAN internet port. Use a pin or paperclip to press and hold the reset button gently for about 10 to 15 full seconds. Release the reset button when the power light or all LEDs on the router begin flashing or blinking. Wait around 2 minutes as the router resets all settings and reboots to the factory default mode. Connect the router using default Wi-Fi name or use LAN cable to access settings via a computer. Open 192.168.0.1 in your browser and log in using admin, as username and password field should be blank. Thank you for watching.